Today is Friday, April 24th. We are going to do a written assessment. So what you need to do is you need to pull out your copy that you made at home of page 185. You will also need a pencil. You're going to have to do this in a really quiet place because you're going to have to be able to listen to Mrs. Plowman as I give you the sounds for the top part. So get your pencil ready and let's begin. In the green oval at the top, right here, I need you to circle the blend that says tr, like in train. Circle the blend that says tr, like in train. Go to the pink oval. Circle the blend that says sk, like in scat. Circle the blend that says sk, like in scat. In the yellow oval, I need you to circle the blend that says tw, like in twin. Circle the blend that says tw, like in twin. Going to the blue oval, you need to circle the digraph that says sh, as in sheep. Circle the digraph that says sh, like in the word sheep. Okay, moving down to the yellow oval, I need you to circle the blend, the three-letter blend, these both have three letters, that says spruh, like in spring. Spruh, like in spring. Going to the blue oval, circle the blend that says cl, like in cloud. Cl, like in the word cloud. Please go to the purple oval and circle the blend that says sn, like in snack. And finally, go to the pink oval and circle the blend that says dr, like in drum. Dr, like in the word drum. Okay, for this section right here, this row of words under the red line and above the green line, I need you to mark the vowels. Remember, a word with two vowels, the first vowel gets a line and the second vowel gets marked out. If there's only one vowel in a word, it will get that little smile. That just kind of looks like really just a little smile of the face. So two vowels, the first vowel gets a line, the second vowel gets marked out. If there's only one vowel, it'll get that smile. You need to mark all the words in this row. Mark just the vowels. Okay? For number 3, what we are doing here is we're going to circle the blends in each word that I give you. Okay? So you're going to have to pay really close attention to the words that I'm giving you. In the first word, this word is grill. I want you to circle the letters that make the gr sound, the gr sound. So for example, in this word, you would just circle the gr. The gr makes the gr sound. For the next word, the word is scale. I need you to circle the letters that say sk in scale. In this third word, strap, I need you to circle the letters that say stra. Circle all the letters that make the stra sound. In the fourth word, spree, I need you to circle the letters that make the spr sound. In the word skip, I need you to circle the letters that make the sk sound. Circle the letters that make the sk sound. And finally, in the word flame, I need you to circle the letters that make the fl sound. Fl. Okay? If for some reason you didn't catch any of these, you can play the video over and redo them. Okay, at the bottom, you need to read the 2 sentences and figure out which one of these sentences goes best with the bug on the leaf. All right, so read both sentences and pick the one that goes with the picture. When you're done with your work, please take a photo of your test and send a copy to Mrs. Plowman. Good luck, guys.